Okay, welcome class to today's tutorial about how to make the drums that we're going to present our final project of synthesis. So this is the tutorial for you to make the final project of synthesis with your okay. So the first thing that you need is paste the glass on the box as you can see on the picture. Okay, you're going to use some glue with water and you're going to paste the paper over it. Okay, next you're going to draw the design that you want. Okay, you can choose any design, you can start painting it. Remember that you can use any colors, the colors that you like. I'm going to use purple and blue. So here we have a nice design on our activity. Now I'm going to paint it with yellow, and with a black marker you can trace the lines to make it more light. Okay, now then you're going to add, here I'm going to put some rocks, but you can add lentils or beans in different amounts for every single size, every single glass, sorry, okay? And after that, you're going to put a balloon over each drum. And there you go. Now you can play the sound. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.